Hey boys, what are you doing? What are you doing?
Yes.
And this is Hagrid. He's our pet. He's out of Mary Poppins' first litter. And this is Spartacus. He's one of the boys we imported from the UK. He's retired now. Hey babies. So Hagrid here is a black tabby ragdoll, and Spartacus, look up here. Spartacus is a traditional seal point, but he also is the smoke. So he's actually called a traditional seal smoke ragdoll. Seal smoke point. Hi babies. These are my two pets. Well, two of them. The other one's probably getting into something. What are you doing?
Fish. Fish.
That's not a fish. It's a kitty cat.
Dog.
It's my grandson. He's being silly. Can you give me kisses? Can you give me kisses?
It's